in this problem, we're going to draw this triangle first using the given information, then draw a circle that passes through all three vertices of this triangle, and then we're going to find out the area of the circle. So first, make sure that our ortho is on. So click ortho. You can also press F8 from your keyboard to turn the ortho on. Then click the line tool, click anywhere on the screen, move right, type 8, press enter, since 8 is the length of line AB. And you can adjust your view by scrolling your middle mouse button, right click, cancel or enter, click the line tool again, click the left end of this line, move left, type 5, press enter, right click, cancel, click the rotate tool, click that new line, press enter, click the right end of this line, type -150, since the angle between AB and AC is 30 degree. Click the line tool, click point C and point B, right click, cancel. Now take the cursor to the area where the circle tool is, click on that little down arrow and look for the 3-point option. So click 3-point and click 3 vertices of this triangle. Now left click this circle, right click, left click the properties, and the area is 61.9458.